What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Neura before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you're going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Neura works. What is Neura? Neura Supplement is a carefully developed, science-driven cognitive support formula created to help maintain memory strength, mental clarity, and overall brain vitality. Rather than offering short-term stimulation, Neura focuses on restoring healthy communication between brain cells by addressing underlying factors that contribute to brain fog, reduce focus, and age-related cognitive slowdown. Its blend of research botanicals and essential minerals supports cellular brain function, neurotransmitter balance, and long-term neuroprotection, helping users experience clearer thinking, sharper recall, and consistent mental energy. Many individuals turn to Neura to stay mentally sharp during work, study, and everyday decision-making, especially as stress, sleep disruption, and aging place increasing demands on the brain. Backed by strong user satisfaction and a holistic multi-pathway approach, Neura stands out as a reliable option for supporting youthful, resilient, and focused brain performance. How does it work? Neura Supplement is developed using principles of modern neuroscience to support brain performance through multiple complementary pathways rather than short-term stimulation. The formula helps maintain balanced neurotransmitter activity, allowing brain cells to communicate efficiently for clearer thinking, better focus, and reliable memory recall. It also delivers antioxidant support to help protect neural tissue from oxidative stress, while strengthening neuronal membranes and signaling efficiency, which are essential for long-term cognitive stability. By supplying ingredients at research-informed levels and supporting cellular energy, clarity, and neural connectivity, Neura promotes consistent mental sharpness and reduced brain fog with regular use. This structured, long-term approach positions Neura as a comprehensive brain health supplement for individuals' performance.